Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install modern Warships game for free via the Steam launcher. And this game is completely free to download. So without wasting time, here for the steps. So open Steam, go to the store, and in search the store search for modern Warships and then click on modern Warships game. Scroll down and here you will see play modern Warships free to play game. So click on play game button and here we'll see modern Warships and the file size is 13.4 GB. So click on install button. Now read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept. Now go to library and here you can see that modern Warships game getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can also download modern Warships game via the Steam launcher for free on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.